So with the cases split, I can put the counter shaft back in so it's only supported on this one side. You can see how much play there is in this bearing. That's movement in the inner race of the bearing against the outer race. It looks like the bearing isn't notchy. Like it rolls freely. There's no notchiness in it at all. But it's like the balls are basically not being held flat anymore. But it's only in one direction. It's only up and down. It doesn't do the same left and right, which is really odd. But yeah, that's a lot of movement. It's like, I don't know, you can see it at the end of the... It's like 2 mil worth of movement in the end of the shaft, which no wonder the clutch was making a lot of noise.